Okay, so first off, I'm not really sure how I should feel about this, but it is easy as hell to make stuff. Can I say hell? Can I? If I can, just blurp that out. But anyway, it's easy to make stuff. I did not know that. This whole time, I could have been Chef Bob Irie. This whole time. Right. I have yet to tap into my full potential. Food Network channel's on the way. Like, but anyway, how are you guys though? Caramel tea. Oh, I'm glad to hear that. I mean, I've been chilling, just baking stuff. That's my jam right now. Like, I am so late to the party, but I'm here nonetheless. And today I got an easy recipe for you guys. We're gonna bake cheesecakes. Yeah, cheesecakes is my favorite. Normally my aunt makes them on special occasions, but yeah, sometimes you can't wait for I don't even know what constitutes a special occasion, but they're far and few in between, but I digress. So anyway, we're gonna make them with a few ingredients, and it is easy. I get it. It's not like the fancy smashy and no water baths for these cheesecakes, but I'm rambling a lot. But we haven't talked in a while. Right. Plus, I'm not really sure, if I want to be a good host, we should really communicate, right? But anyway, so over here, we got the ingredients going on. Oh, I wouldn't normally do this, but they said I need to do this. Okay. So they told me I need to do this, so I need you guys to go ahead and like the video. Comment if you want to. You don't have to, really. But if you could share it, though, and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Because we're really trying to get 10,000 subscribers. And I think we really need if we did that. Also on the other platform as well. Alright? Alright. So, what we're going to need today is a stove, of course, because you need the oven. 1 lemon, but we have 2, but we're going to need 1 lemon. We're going to need some white sugar, some brown sugar, 2 packs of graham crackers, or any cracker of your choice, or cookie of your choice. We're going to need 4 eggs. We're going to need 3 to 4 sticks, 8 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, 1 stick of butter, also room temperature, some vanilla extract, some salt. This is off the dome, so bear with me. What else do we need? Some honey, depending on how you want to sweeten your cake. Some sour cream. We're going to use about a half a cup to a cup of that. And that's about it. How easy is that? This whole time, I'm going to be on that forever. Anyway, more adventures in the kitchen to come, so stay tuned for that. Or not. I mean, I'm here for that for sure, though. I mean, I'm just saying. If a friend told me that earlier.
What was even the purpose of home ec back then? What? Teacher, they didn't say that at all, bro. I could swear. All I heard was, Tupperware this and don't run with scissors that. And, no one needs that information. All I really was concerned with, bro, was sweeping the leg. Because sometimes you gotta do it, brother. I'm just saying. Right? You know.
Alright, so first off, we're going to make our crust. We got our graham crackers here. We're going to smash these up. Going with our melted butter, a little bit of salt, a little bit of brown sugar. Mix it up, spread it out. Patty cake, you know the rest. It'd been a lot easier if I'd put them in a Ziploc bag and use a mallet or something like that, but it's not what we got right now. You need to do this, and then after that, we're going to apply our melted butter. And we'll see once we get ready to form it in the pan. So we got 1/4 of a teaspoon. A little less than that. And we had about a 1/4 teaspoon of the brown sugar. And again, we're just going to go ahead and just whisk this all together. And this is what it's going to look like after who knows how long with your hand mixer. Try to get it as fine as you can. And then we're going to go ahead and lace these in the pan, and we're going to put them in the oven for about 10 minutes. Then we'll come back and we'll get with our filling. Get a little butter inside the pan so they don't stick.
Once you got them all coated, go and start your crust. It's 7-10 minute head start, 350 degrees.
We got 3 8-ounce packs of cream cheese here at room temperature. And we're going to get them to the bowl and get them all whisked together, and then we'll add our eggs and our sugar.
Now we're going to go 4 eggs, one at a time. And then we'll continue to...
Now we need the lemon zest. Take your grater, rub it across here. Just don't want to get to the white part. It's very big. Go ahead and add our sugar and then our lemon, and we'll go ahead and base guide. We're also going to add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Pure vanilla extract.
So what it's looking like so far?
After like 30 years of stirring with the hand mixer, we're ready to fill our pies.
Alright, so now we're ready for the oven. 350 degrees for like 30 minutes. See you in 30 minutes.
Alright, so after 30 minutes, we're ready to take it out of the oven, see what it's looking like. Not too shabby. Once again, this has been Styles, aka Chef Bob Irie. Thanks for tuning in. Catch me next time. Oh yeah, don't forget to be kind to one another.